Alright, picture this. Chrome bumpers gleaming, analog dials dancing, and the rumble of a carbureted V8 echoing down the boulevard. If you're anything like me, retro rides aren't just cars, they're rolling time machines. And today, I'm diving into some of the all-time best retro ride reviews that I guarantee you'll love. First up, let's talk about the king of nostalgia, the 1980s Porsche 911 Carrera. I still remember the first time I slid behind the wheel. No traction control, no digital screens, just pure, unfiltered feedback from the road. Reviewers always go on about the steering feel, and trust me, there's nothing quite like it. The way that Flat 6 sings at high RPM, it's goosebumps every single time. But hey, maybe you're more into American muscle. The 1969 Dodge Charger, iconic, right? One review I watched compared the throttle pedal to a time warp button, and I couldn't agree more. That deep, throaty roar, the long hood stretching out in front of you and the way people stare as you cruise by, it's all part of the experience. And honestly, every review I've seen nails that sense of drama and excitement. Now, for the JDM fans out there, you know I can't skip the Nissan Skyline GT-R R32. Reading those classic reviews, you get a sense of just how ahead of its time this car was. Twin turbo power, all-wheel drive, and a dash full of quirky Japanese buttons. Every time I watch a review on this beast, it's clear, this is a legend that more than lives up to the hype. What I love most about retro ride reviews, it's the passion. Whether it's a reviewer nerding out about pop-up headlights or reminiscing about cassette players, you can feel the love through the screen. They remind us that cars were once built with soul, quirks, and character, not just touchscreen tech. And let's be real, every retro ride review is an invitation to remember your first drive, your dream poster car, or that one wild story your uncle used to tell about outrunning the cops in a Camaro. These aren't just reviews, they're love letters to a golden age of motoring. So next time you're bored, do yourself a favor, search up a retro ride review. Lose yourself in the nostalgia, the stories, and the engine noises. Trust me, you'll end up falling in love all over again. Thanks for riding down memory lane with me. If you've got a favorite retro ride, or an epic review I should check out, drop it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive nostalgia. Catch you on the next drive.